I thought I had it all figured out. So I got all of my wood cut down, and I was gonna make all those panels for my garden beds that I'm making. I only have 3 done, but I did figure out I was gonna cut all the metal panels, and I'm like, wait, I'll cut the metal panels on top of the wood panels I built and just bam, bam, bam. And that way, even though I'm not doing the same thing over and over, which is how I like to function, getting, doing one type of task and another type of task, but doing it that way, I did get to do these faster. But my husband said, when are you going to put on the roof on the chicken house, the chicken coop? And I'm like, I'll do it right now. Let's just get this done. Let's see. I did this on Monday. And I started that on Tuesday. And I had wood cut for it, but it turned out to be a lot trickier. I was also doing a couple panels there. So on Tuesday, let's look, that funny little thing I've had sticking up the ridge underneath. You can see that I installed it, the ridge and the beam. Look at that. But this is where I thought, oh, I'll just put that up and bam, 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 put all these little rafter things up really fast and easy peasy, right? No, because I made a mistake in my maths, and you can see that mistake right here, because this beam was supposed to be here. I don't know exactly when I made it, but the mistake is the width of a board. So there's something I didn't take into consideration there. But everything else is up here, looking good. So this cost me almost an entire day. I spent almost an entire day yesterday getting that there and that there, and having it kind of come through, thinking, oh, I gotta cut it, and I got that wrong. I should have cut it out there. I'll have to patch that. And getting this put on for the first time. And my brain was tired. And then yesterday, I was like, okay, I think I got this one up. I've been using, it's loud in here, a lot of hurricane ties because I just don't have the strength to really do a whole lot of toenail. I don't know. But some of it doesn't look neat in here, but it's all very secure. It's secure. And we had a little bit of a family emergency, which stopped me. And for a couple hours, those things happened. So, I thought the roof would be done by today. And even though I did all of this today, the problem is that all of these little things here, I have to measure and cut and measure and cut. And have a wrong size and go back and cut some more wood. And it's just, I feel like little thing after little thing I have to do is just fiddly work. Also, do you hear the leaves? I went like brr, 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 on a bunch of branches because they were loud and driving me nuts. Yeah, I cut a whole bunch. See, they're right there. And then I swear it grew that much again. I did that in the morning and then again in the afternoon. I don't know, the wind was still playing. But it's just, Even if you have an idea of what you're doing, there's going to be lots of obstacles. There were lots of obstacles for me, and it was hard. It is hard, but tomorrow it will get done. And I have a little secret decoration thing that I'm going to do here that my husband doesn't know about. I think it will look very pretty.
Fly capture?
I will put the fly catchers back in there. They were driving me nuts this morning too. Here's something I did. Look in here. I did this last week, I think. So I pulled the composter back to here. It's gonna go there. I put stuff in it. It's weird. It's like spongy and stuff, and it's a little damp in there. So with the clock, I've got everything in there. I'm going to do it, and then on the other side, I'm adding stuff. I just add stuff and give it a good spin, which I already did today to aerate it. Nice. So that will be when I cleaned out the chicken coops. I cleaned out the chicken coop and put this in here. Gave those chickens the little low perch, and nobody is sleeping in the nesting boxes anymore, but they are laying eggs. 3 in one and 1 in the other. And we had so few chickens for a while that did not accumulate as fast. So I'm going to go in there and pick up stuff and just throw them in there. And that's the idea of having a composter right by this. So that from the house and from the coop, it's very easy. Bam, right there. And that's going to be nice. But, I'm tired. And I think it's not just physical. My brain is tired, but honestly, my hands are tired and my elbows are tired. And I realized I'm doing things wrong. And so I'm like, I have to hold it like this. But there are tiny spaces that I have to hold it like this to get in. And my hands go, no! And I go, please, you're good, hands. Thank you, hands. Just a little bit more. Just a little more. And it always comes through. And I have to be so careful. You want me to grab? Come here, sweetie. Aw, here's our Betty.
She was poking on it.
Brown Betty. Yeah. My chick chick. Oh, that's a good sound. I just put the chickens back just before I started recording this. We'll put them back again. But they know when I put them back. They know what I say when I'm going to call them. I want to show you one other cute thing. This is a volunteer plant. It's really funny looking now, but the idea, the hope is that these vines will come all the way up this silly looking little homemade trellis thingy I did. Thank you. Aren't these pretty though? Life outside, life in the yard is good. Do you know how many times I've been so freaked out though? Because I have to say, I have a mild fear of heights. It's mild. And I'm okay if I know that everything is secure, which is why I'm fine on rides. But when I'm in the ladder, and I know I'm a little bit clumsy, it just freaks me out. And I feel like I'm twice as high as I actually am. Even with all these things that are slowing me down, I'm tired. My hands are tired. My brain is tired. I'm just gonna keep on going. And I have the plans inside my head. And I have to say, now that I'm doing it, I've done this outside. When I built those things in my pantry room that I'm going to do, ooh, it's gonna be so much easier. Another thing I've noticed is like I can practically run up the stairs now. You know, sometimes I was thinking, oh, I'm getting old, but I just had to get a little bit more fit, and working out here in the yard has been helping me get fit. I have all the fresh air. I work, I hold heavy things, but now I want to lift weights that are heavier than my tools, and maybe my hands will feel happier if I do that. I don't know. But that's what I've been up to this week. I only got this far because I planned, and you can plan. And there's blood on there and sweat, but no tears yet. I poked myself on the chicken wire. It's not bad. See, it's not bad, but you know. And I'm like, oh, there's blood there. I put my blood, sweat, and but not tears yet in there. Almost at one point in time. But no, it just is what it is. And good memories are in there too. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And if you want to see this continue to look beautiful, like and subscribe. Bye-bye.